Question 32 is about a conceptual concept. New concept is required to understand the action at a distance. Maybe this phrase is a little bit strange to us. It means that two particles, two things, act to each other when they are separated by a distance. In our terminology, maybe we can say it is the non-contact forces. Electric force, magnetic force, gravitational force. So it is the non-contact forces. So what is needed to describe these non-contact forces? What is our model? How does charge Q, for example, act a force on charge Q? Yes, remember charge Q emits electric field out at the speed of light, okay, and then this electric field push the charge Q when it touches charge Q, right? So field is required to describe this kind of non-contact forces, no matter in magnetic force, electric force, or gravitational force, okay? We need electric field, magnetic field, and gravitational field to describe it. So the answer is D. Fairly conceptual question, but if you know physics, well, you can answer it maybe in 20 seconds. You can do it, I'm sure. Thank you.